Hello guys, welcome to another episode on Brain Boost channel.
Today, we are going to be constructing a 75 degree.
If you haven't watched our previous video on how we constructed 90 and 60 degree, please do well to watch it. And do not forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. In the meantime, let's get into today's video. So firstly, we are going to obey our data by drawing our 80 mm or 8 cm, which is going to be our point A and point B, which is equals to 80 mm. So we draw a semicircle, we approximate the center, open to any length but not too wide, then we draw a semicircle. Then we do our 60 degree. As I said, make sure to watch the 60 and 90 degree to understand more. Then we construct our 90 degree. Arc and arc. Then we rule our line. This is our 90. Then this is our 60. Let's say this is our point C. So here to here is 60 and the gap between 60 and 90 is 30. Since we want to get 75, we have to bisect this 30 here to here. We have to bisect it to get 15. So that 60 plus the 15 we are going to bisect here, that will be 75. So let's do that. So now that we've bisected it, we rule a straight line. As you can see. So we are done with our 75 degree. You can check with our protractor, as you can see, 75. I hope you understand. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is the end of our 75 degree. So